In this video, I will tell you a little more about our card game, Here. The instruction sheet given with the card game will familiarize you with the rules of the game. Here has been designed as a memory card game featuring informative articles about disability. It has 30 cards, 15 cards labeled article and 15 cards labeled headline, and you have to match the correct headline to the corresponding article. The instruction sheet mentions how you need to place the headlines and the article cards in a 4x4 grid on the floor face down. Have fun while you're surprised by interesting news items. This is a great game to test your memory. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial video. The instruction sheet provided with each card game is very easy to understand, so get going. And remember, a family which plays together stays together.